Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up Slack workflow. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is just to go to your Slack workspace, and from there, you will be needing to go for the channel where you want to start adding the workflow. So for example, I'm just going for this agency channel that has this name, and from here, I'm just going to click on this plus sign. As you can see, there is this workflow icon or this workflow choice in this pop-up menu. So basically, I'm just going to click on workflow, and now we will be able either to start browsing templates or we can create it from scratch. So probably you might find like the workflow that you are searching for here in these templates. So let's just create from scratch, and basically we will be able to go to the workflow page, and you can do it on the Slack application. So here we choose the events, and basically either you have some external factors or external events, but let's just stick with events in Slack. So for example, on a schedule, that means like you will choose a date where you want like this workflow to launch, or for example, when a person joins a channel, then we want like a message to be sent. So let's just go to continue. And now, whenever someone joins this channel, we want to add a step. So for example, we can go to this channel and create or pin a message, or we can go to this specific user, or we can create a message or add reaction, etc. So let's just send a message to a channel, and basically we want to do it here, and from here we want like for example insert a variable, and basically we want some like hello or welcome to this channel, or welcome to, and from here you can choose the variables, for example the channel name or whatever. Like when a person joins the channel, you can, for example, the channel that the user joined, or the user has joined the channel, so welcome to our channel or to agency. And basically, then you click on save, and you add this workflow to this channel, and basically that's it. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.